This would be the dress that I would wear to a wedding. This is actually so cute. My sister did call me Perry the Platypus, and now I can never get it out of my brain. Oh, it's giving Coachella. I'm obsessed. This is giving mom in Hawaii. Besties, it is finally happening. I am going to Hawaii and I am so excited. I have so many outfits planned and I wanted to show you guys all the outfits I'm bringing to Hawaii. So I feel like there's just so many. You guys can see a little bit behind the scenes, very colorful, very gorgeous, and I'm just so excited. So if you guys are not already, go ahead and subscribe and also follow me on Instagram if you guys are new to my channel. I love you. Let's get into all the outfits. I'm going to show you guys outfits based on the events. So we're going to do airport first, then dinner outfits, bikini outfits, and probably like any other outfits that are left. So let's start with airport outfits. Okay, so this is airport fit number 1. I love it. It's like a romper. I have been really obsessed with rompers lately. Look at my butt. I've been really obsessed with rompers lately. I think that they're so cute. They're just like such a staple and they're just so comfortable, and I can feel myself being comfortable on the plane with this, and I might just pair it with a pair of sandals or a pair of gym shoes. But yeah, this is basically what I'll be wearing to Hawaii, from Canada to Hawaii. So hopefully it's not so cold in the morning. I think this is so cute. And then I just have my like carry-on with me. And it's perfect. A lot of my stuff I either got from Shein or White Fox, just so you know. Oh, and I got some Fashion Nova in here too. But these two rompers are both from Shein. Okay, so this is the second one. This is the one I'm probably gonna wear from Kauai to Honolulu. It's not as flattering as the first one, but it's all right. I feel like it's like this towel material, which is kind of neat. It is really struggling, you know, keeping together, so I don't really know how that's gonna work. It's definitely an option. I do like it, but I don't remember it being such a struggle to keep these together. I'm kind of nervous. Let's do bikinis next, actually, because I have a lot of bikinis that I think are super cute, so let's get into the bathing suits. Okay, so I got this one piece from White Fox. This is actually so cute. I'm just obsessed. We're having like a boat day, boat cruise. So this is what I'd wear, and then I'd wear these like cute little sandals from Shein. I think they're gonna probably be one of my staples while I'm there because they're just so easy to put on and so like simple, but I love this. This is so cute. It does kind of look like I'm not wearing anything, but yeah, this is so cute. It's just like a cover up. They're both from White Fox and I love them both. I am so excited to wear these and take pictures in them. So let's jump into the next bathing suit. Okay, this is the next bathing suit. I am literally obsessed with it. I think it's so adorable and cute. This is also from Shein. This little flower, which is like so in right now. I love the ombre. It's giving like sunset, and I feel like Hawaii is like all about sunset type of style. And then I also have this little cute shell cover up. Oh, this just adds to the look. I feel like it's such a cute cover up. It's like seashells. And again, I'll probably just pair it with those white sandals. A lot of these bikinis, I'm just gonna pair with the white sandals because they're easy to slip on, quickly go to the beach, have fun. So yeah, this is bikini number 2. Okay, so this is the third bathing suit. It's very similar to the White Fox one. Honestly, to say the least, I am obsessed with this. I think it looks so gorgeous and it's just so cute and simple. A lot of my bathing suits are more like cheeky and like thongy than like the whole coverage. But I'm so obsessed. This looks so cute and I cannot wait to wear this. I don't really know when I'd wear this. This is probably going to be another beach day bathing suit, but I love it so much. It's so cute. So let's try on another one. Of course, this one is from Fashion Nova. This is like hella risky. I feel like this is something that I'm debating on wearing. I don't know if I 100% love it. I do love the ombre. I think it looks really hot, really sexy. I just feel like it's like not family appropriate and I'm going for a wedding, so very family friendly. I do kind of like it. I feel like it makes me look snatched and hot and sexy, okay? But I just don't know when I'd wear it. Probably on the day that I'm not with anybody but my friends. So if this is your guys' type of bathing suit, then definitely go check it out. It's by Fashion Nova. It's giving Fashion Nova like hot, sexy vibes. I think I have only one bathing suit left, so let's try it on. Okay, this is the last bikini. And then I have this cover up that's like slits on both sides, and it's just so cute. I'm obsessed. It also comes with this little like plastic bit here, which is interesting. It's probably to like keep this together and so that it doesn't pull down, but I don't know if it's my cup of tea yet, so we will see. But yeah, I like love this. I think it's so cute. This is something I'd wear probably in Honolulu, because in Kauai, where my sister's getting married, like that's just all about the wedding vibes. So this is just maybe a little too close to white. I don't know. It's like a cream. This belt here, it's like kind of like Coachella vibes. But I love when the girlies wear these. They're so cute. It's probably gonna go like this. Oh, it's giving Coachella. This is so cute. And then I bought these little like containers on Shein to kind of put my accessories and stuff in. I did buy these like little hair accessories. They look like this. They're like little clips. And I saw these girls and they braided their hair and then they put this on the braids. And like that's kind of what I'm looking for with this outfit. I think it'll just look super, super cute. So yeah, I'm obsessed with this outfit, to be completely honest. But this is my last bikini, so I'm going to show you guys all of my going out outfits. They are so good. So yeah, let's get into the dinner outfits. Okay, we're going to start with the main event. Is she not gorgeous, stunning, amazing? I love this. This is by White Fox. It's like a sunset vibe. Also, my hair is like not holding up during this. It's gonna get a little frizzy. It snatches you in all the right places, and I am obsessed with it. I feel like if you're gonna get something from White Fox, this is what you need to get. Like, it is stunning, babes. This will be on the Instagram, okay? Also, do not mind my toe marks in these shoes. It's actually kind of gross, but it's embarrassing actually. I think I'm gonna bring these orange shoes because I have another outfit where I want to wear them as well. So they're just like so cute. They're from Shein and I'm obsessed. They match the orange on the dress. They're perfect. And then I also am gonna bring this like white purse. I feel like you just need a white purse because it goes with everything. So this is one of my dinner outfits and I'm obsessed. This is another dinner outfit. So I got this just from Fashion Nova. It's giving ball gown a little bit. I'm obsessed. Like, I'm literally obsessed. I'm gonna pair it with this like orange bag and these orange shoes. I feel like it's giving everything. And I went on Pinterest and I actually saw that people had outfits that were like color coordinated like this, like something you wouldn't really think of. But it's just so cute. My sister did call me Perry the Platypus, and now I can never get it out of my brain. It's kind of hard to get the girls like where I want them to be. It kind of looks like they're a little lopsided, but I still really, really like this dress. It looks so cute, and I can't wait to go to dinner. It's gonna be stunning. So this is another dinner outfit. This is dinner outfit number 3. I love this so much. Again, with the little flowers. It's like super, super cute, and it's like really flattering. The only thing I want to say is it does look a little bit cheap around the flowers, and obviously I don't really like it like here. It's just giving shadow. I think this is super, super cute, and I love the blue vibe. I think it's gonna look really nice with my hair. I also have these shoes from Shein, and they're like blue, like little kitten heels, and they're so cute. I've never worn these, but this is gonna look so cute with this outfit. Just like an ocean blue vibe, and I am like so here for it. Yeah, it's like a 2-piece, so just keep that in mind, but I think this is so cute. I love. This is the next dinner outfit. I really want to wear this for like a luau though. Like, I kind of love this because I feel like it's giving luau. Please tell me if this is giving mom in Hawaii. Like, the pattern's just a little off. I think it's cute, but at the same time, like, there's something about it that I'm just like not obsessed with. I think I'd pair it with these like heels, these chunky wedges. Like, look how adorable that is, and it just like goes right up your leg. I think that'd be really cute. I'm definitely gonna bring this because there's a couple outfits that I think would look really cute with this. Anyways, I think it's like pretty flattering and I really do like it. So I I love it, girl. Okay, this dress is iconic. I feel like if I wasn't a bridesmaid in my sister's wedding, this would be the dress that I would wear to a wedding. Like a Hawaiian wedding, I think this looks so gorgeous, so elegant, but so sexy at the same time. They're cute little heels, and they have like a little flower at the end, and they have strappies, and they kind of just like wrap around your leg. And this is just so cute. Like, this will be on the Instagram. Again, with the like whole flowers. I don't know why I'm obsessed with this, but I think it looks so, so cute. And where the flowers here and the flowers on my shoes just match, like, that's gonna look so cute. And I cannot wait to wear this outfit. Like, seriously, it's gonna be adorable. But yeah, this is gonna be another dinner outfit. I didn't realize how many strapless dresses I actually bought for this trip, but this is the last dinner outfit. I think it looks super cute. My friend actually has a dress similar to this, so we're gonna be a little matchy-matchy. And I'm obsessed. It's just so comfortable to be in, and I love it. I'm probably gonna pair it with any like white shoe that I have, because I'm not gonna bring like a whole new pair of shoe, because girl, I have too much going on. This is giving kind of like a club outfit, but I think it'll look really cute at like a dinner, and I'm just really, really excited to go. So let's try on our last outfit. Okay, last but not least, we have this outfit. This is what I'm gonna wear when we go on a hike. We're gonna go Diamond Head, and it's gonna look so gorgeous. It's actually a bathing suit. We have these shorts, we have this mesh top, and then it came with a bikini. So just in case like you guys wanna wear it, it actually comes with a bikini underneath. But this is like too small for me. It actually doesn't fit, so I'm not even gonna bother bringing it. But I'm gonna wear this sports bra underneath that's from Aerie. It's super, super cute. I love this outfit. Like, it's giving sporty. It's giving like Hawaii with all the like Hawaii flowers, and I love it so much. It looks so adorable, especially with my clip maybe. It's actually not something I would usually reach for, but I think it would look so cute just on a hike. And this is like super airy. It's not tight on your armpits at all. You can move and groove in this. It's so comfortable. So that is the end of my haul. I have literally so many cute outfits that I'm gonna wear while I'm in Hawaii. So if you guys are not already, go ahead and subscribe, because you know we're gonna have lots of Hawaii vlogs, and I am so excited. And also go follow me on Instagram to actually see these outfits in action. They're gonna be strutting down those Hawaii roads, Hawaii streets, Hawaii beaches, and I'm so excited to go, and I can't wait. It's literally so soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I love you. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.